Hey guys, welcome to Jem's house. My name is Aaron Nathaniel Jem, and today I'll be making my famous dish, prawn tempura with a spicy Peruvian mayonnaise. This dish is everyone's favourite dish. You can go to all the top restaurants in London, Novikov, Sexy Fish, and they all do the same dish. But my dish I feel is more elevated, more spicy, and a lot more sexy. So please come join me in my kitchen and let's do this. So here we have my ají de coto paste, which you can find anywhere, Tesco's, Sainsbury's, or any Provera in London. Honey, limes, egg, Dijon mustard, confit garlic, which is just slow cooked garlic in oil, and chili oil. Guys, all my recipes are in my bio, so please feel welcome, for free, so subscribe to my bio, and we can take it from there. Let's do this. Here we have our large gambas prawns, which are butterflies, as you can see. And then you want to slightly score it again. And then cut in half. The reason why I score it lightly, so it cooks evenly. And that's it, guys. Now, time for the spicy mayonnaise. Now, we start with our eggs. Dijon mustard. Couple of pieces of confit garlic, honey, sriracha as well. These are going to help the oil to emulsify. Make sure your lid's all secure. Start low and build fast, guys. These uppercut. Now, I'm gonna cut our limes. This mayonnaise requires a lot of lime juice. Adding my togarashi. Now I'm gonna mix it all in now. See how nice and thick it is? Perfect texture. Let me try that quick. Wow. Spicy, acidic, and a touch sweet, that's what you want. Okay guys, now we're gonna make our tempura batter, which is pretty simple. You can buy tempura flour from anywhere, any local supermarket, Waitrose, or any even Japanese center. But it's really good. It has everything you need in it, it's just a one pot wonder. Ice and sparkling water. That is it. Okay, let's make this. So, flour in a bowl. Get it all in. You don't need much because I'm only doing 6 halves. So I recommend this much. Going around the bowl. And let's whisk it. What I do at this stage, I put a few ice cubes in there, so it stays nice and cold. And if it gets too thick, it's fine. The ice will melt and make it a little bit thinner. This one needs a little bit more sparkling water. Okay guys, in this bowl we have the corn flour and the plain flour mix. Next to it we have the tempura bar. The whole idea is to put the freshly cut prawns into the flour, clear off, into the batter, into the oil, 185 degrees to 190 degrees. Perfect, that's all you need guys. Very simple, very easy steps. Jem's house, do this. My prawns into the flour, coating both sides. Tempura, batter, yes. Make it extra crispy. Yeah. See that guys? You want. So give it extra 30 seconds. Because the oil has calmed down now, so it's dropped. It's still nice and crispy. So while it's hot guys, I want to season it while it's hot. Again, the togarashi, which again guys, I love spice. So it's up to you if you want to go heavy on it or easy on it. Salt. Again, I love to use molten salt guys. So I like my food, especially my tempura, to the side. So you don't even need all these prawns on the plate, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I like to be greedy sometimes. Hey guys, here you have it. Spicy Peruvian mayonnaise, prawn tempura, and a simple language. Simple, tasty, easy to do at home. Jum's house. This is what we do, guys. We cook. Let's enjoy.